Oh my God, I am so excited for this book. I've been waiting on this book. Now, this book actually did not come on its own. Normally, I would check my mail and boom, the book is in my mailbox. But I'm just like, what's going on? Where's this book? So I decided to go on Amazon, on the app. And I'm like, well, can you just order it? I mean, or what? So I typed it in, and yes, you can literally just have it sent to your house. Of course, it's like you got to check out like you're buying it, but it don't cost any money. It's totally free. But yeah, this is the book. My kids get it every year. Like I said, they normally get it in the mail. Yes, over 700 toys and gifts. I'm so excited. I'm excited, really, to be honest, because my kids, when they get a hold of this book, they be so busy. I mean, when I tell you I can clean a whole house, it's a dream come true. But I'm also excited because I'm just like, I'm ready to see, of course, what I'm gonna get my kids for Christmas. But I'm also happy because this is my first year, or first Christmas, I should say, as a doll collector. And what I realized is, now I had to open it up. Now, if you see, you get to, this is an interactive book, okay? Meaning they're gonna have some quizzes, some mazes, some coloring, little coloring sheets. You'll see as I go through the book. But yeah, I like the interactive. It just, like I said, it keeps the kids busy and things like that. But let me just say this while I'm going through the book, okay, until we get to the Barbie section. But I was thinking, oh, this is my first Christmas as a doll collector. And I had to take a pause because I gasped. I was like, girl, what are you going to do? Like, I literally have to buy, because my girls love Barbie dolls, okay? Hello, I love Barbies. They love Barbies. But I'm thinking, now, how's this going to work? So here's another interactive right here. I think it says, I didn't even get to see. I don't think I recorded the whole thing, but that was another interactive where they could do something like work out the problems, or an activity, should I say, not problems, but yeah. But yeah, so I'm like, this is the first year where I have to buy them Barbies for them. And then what about, how am I going to buy Barbies for myself? Like, when I was at Ross yesterday, and I was looking like, oh my goodness, they would love this Barbie. And then instantly after I said that, I was like, oh my God. Now, I like this book, because it gives you different sections. Like, that was 10, the page before it said 10 and under. This one's 25 and under. So I love that it breaks it up, and that that whatever budget you have, there are toys for that. Here's 50 and under. Yeah, and so on. So yeah, I'm just like, how am I gonna buy them toys? Am I gonna all buy these for my YouTube? Because I was like, this dog can go for my YouTube. Now, at the time of recording this, it is October 30th. And oh yeah, here's the maze. So cute. This will definitely keep them busy. And it has a little story. So yeah, I love that they incorporated this. So smart of them to do that. But yeah, so I'm like, I can use this doll on my YouTube channel. So I was like, oh my, so that's literally when I thought to myself, now how am I gonna do this Christmas? Like, do I ask people to like buy me stuff? Here's another little story. I'm sure it's an activity as well. So cute. But I'm like, am I to ask grown adults, like, hey, I know you're buying my kids gifts, presents, but can you throw in your girls some dolls? I'm just being funny. But for real, what am I going to do about myself? Like, the dolls this is the Monster High. They had like one whole page dedicated to Monster High. And the Monster High has a huge community. So, yeah. I know they will enjoy that. That's another. I think this is like what you put the names on the present. So I thought that was really cute. Yes, a word search. Who does not like a word search? I know I do. I love a word search. So that's really cool. I'm telling you, they have so many toys in this book. And this is like back in the day. Well, I don't know how old you are, but This is pretty much how we did it. We had to use the sales papers, the JC Penney's, Walmart, Target, all of that. And so I still have that instant, it's just that instant like excitement when you get the book. And I know we have the iPads and phones and things, but it's nothing like taking a pencil and paper and literally circling what you like. Now, I also want to say this: no matter how much electronics is just relevant these days, I don't think writing letters to Christmas, writing letters to Santa will ever go old. And so it's kind of like the electronics and all those type of things go out the window, because this is the time where you are writing down your list and you giving it to your parent. Here's another maze that's really cute. So as you see throughout the book, it's activities, it's so interactive, and that's why I love this book. So shout out to Amazon. But yeah, it's just literally you writing. I mean, you're not gonna write your list and be like, oh my goodness, should I just put this on my iPad? No, they're writing it down because it's exciting. So that's it for me. That's why I love to have this book, an actual physical book. Of course you can go in the app and look on Amazon, but flipping the pages, siblings are talking about, no, I want this. Yeah, I would like this. Oh, I want this. And it's more room that, you got this one iPad and you're trying to share. You really can't, talk. Oh, here's the page. Barbie said, I want my own page. I know that's right, Barbie. You better do it. They have their own page, a full page. So what Amazon gonna be. Like, Barbie is that brand where it's like, we don't need an introduction, but here we are, right? But yeah, so of course they have the doll house, the dream house, they have the camper, you have all the different dolls. This page is gonna be marked 25 and under. The holiday Barbies, I just love it. So I'm gonna let them write in it. I'm trying to think, how can I get my hands on another book, because I really need it for myself. I just kind of want to have it, not even just to write in it, but I just want to keep a book. But yeah, so, again, this book really came at a perfect time. I hope that you go ahead and, order your book and let your kids have at it, or you can have at it. Whoever you can enjoy, anybody can enjoy this book, as I know I will and my girls will. But that's pretty much it. I just want to show you the book. And until next time, please subscribe to my channel, like, and please comment and let me know if you're ordering a book, and what are you really excited to have or excited to give. I'm definitely excited for the Barbies. So talk soon.